Hi everyone, today's video is special because I am going to show you one of our collections, and I am talking about the Swarovski Crystal Collection. So if you are collecting crystals and you love crystals, this video is for you. Hi, this is Adeline. Today's video is special because this is about Mario's precious possession. I will show you how to clean crystals. I'm gonna show you how to organize and showcase them. So let's go right into it. Okay, so we're here at the corner of our house, here in the living room. I am gonna tell you where we got these Swarovski crystals. So most of these crystals, they're about 20 to 30 years old already. So Mario and his family, they live in Germany in the 80s. That's when they started collecting these Swarovski crystals. So most of these pieces are already about 20 to 30 years old. And his family collected this, and then it was passed on to Mario when his parents died. So these are very special to him, and so we have to take care of this. When you're getting a cabinet, make sure it's all glass in front and in the sides. I'm gonna tell you how I organize our collections. So first tip is that you organize it in like a triangle form. So you start with the tall ones from the back in the middle, and then you arrange it like a triangle. So the shorter one needs to be on the sides. The shortest one is on the front. And then when you view it, you're gonna be able to see the whole or everything that is displayed. So example of that is how I did it here. Let's open it. Let's start in the bottom. This one, I added this because it's tall. This one is our wedding cake top, and it has a crystal on top of the ring. So this one is the tallest one, so I put them in the back. And then, so I group them all. You have to group them according to what kind of figurines are they. So Christmas figurines, and these are the birds. And here is the ducks, the butterflies, and then chickens. And then that one, dragonfly, and I think it's a, what is that called? Honey or bee?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. So you have to group them into groups or into the kind of birds they are. So if your collection is bags, you arrange that according to probably brands or according to colors. You don't mix them all together. It's so hard to look at the pieces if it's all like mixed together. So like this one, I did it according to what kind of animals they are or what kind of birds. So the chickens, the butterflies, dragonflies, and then this one is alone, so she's on the side by himself. And these are the ducks and the Christmas stuff right there. So with this arrangement, you'll be able to see clearer your display. It's much better. Up here, these are the animals. I grouped the tallest one, the dog, and the family of dogs in one group. The fox. This one is a squirrel and something. I think it's a cat, but they're on by itself, so I just put them together because they look alike. And then these ones here are alone, so I put them in the front and they're smaller. So in the back here is the tallest one, the penguins, and the fish is bigger or a medium size. So they're in the middle, the medium size. I added this also because this is our It's like an anniversary crystal collection, or this is Mario's anniversary gift to me. This one is made of crystal and it has a light there. You have to turn it on. I think this one turns. It's not working anymore, but it used to turn. And then it's our pictures inside. So if you guys want to get one of these, you can get this in Las Vegas when you visit Las Vegas. It's in the fashion show mall. You can have this one with your pictures inside. So I put that in there because it's tall, and then it makes the triangle form for the display. See, that's nice to look at. And then so I added these flowers. It looks much better with flowers in it right there at the end. So one way to tell that you're buying an original Swarovski piece is that in the bottom of the crystal there is a printed Swarovski in the bottom on, and also there is this sign right, this one, like an S. And so you also want to make sure you keep your original box with you, because if you want to sell it, I think you get more money if you have the original box and it has this original thing. Also in the box it has this little sticker and it has the art number, and if you put this, or if you Google this number, it will tell you the kind of crystal and also the price. So it's a good idea to have this. Don't remove that little sticker, and make sure you keep your container. When you're packing your Swarovski crystal, inside it has a foam rubber. So you just follow that outline there, and that's how you put it back right there. And don't squeeze it so hard because it will ruin some of the pieces in it. So just put it like that, and then you cover it. See, now you can ship it like this. It's safer. You can sell it for more money. When you're handling the piece, make sure you hold the body of the crystals or the piece not on the protruding small parts, because it can break easily. So to clean it, I usually buff it with soft cotton cloth. And some parts are difficult to get into, so you can use like a soft paintbrush, or I use my old makeup brush. It's soft and it's long and it's small, so I can get into the small pieces of this like this penguin. And so to remove a greasy film, you can also use a high quality glass spray and then wipe it off with clean cotton cloth. For really dirty objects, you can bath it also in a lukewarm water with a little bit of detergent soap, mild detergent soap. Use a soft brush and then rinse it off with cold water, and then dry it naturally, or you can use a hair dryer in a cold setting, not the hot setting. And then buff away the watermarks with soft, clean, lint-free cotton cloth. So that's it, guys. Hope you liked the video. And how about you? Do you have any collections? Do you have crystal collections? Let me know and comment down below. Let me know how you organize them. And if you like this video, please like. And if you're new, please subscribe and make sure the notification bell is on so that you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on our next video.